to log into your Reddit account after forgetting passwords. So very first thing that you need to do is either you can get into the Reddit website or you can get the application version of Reddit, and then from there, if you are on the application version, you'll be able to see login button on the top right corner. Tap on that one, and then from there you can either continue with your phone number, or you can continue with your Google ID or your Apple ID, or even with the email address or your username too. So you can choose which method that you want to do. If you have connected your Reddit account with your Google ID or Apple ID, you can tap on them and add in their own credentials in order to log in too. Let's just use the email or username right now, and then in here, like I said, all you need to do is write in your email address or username, then the password, then you can tap on login and log into your account. But in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the option forgot password right here, then write in your email address right here. You can tap on reset password. A link will be sent to you on your email inbox. Simply open that link, and then from there you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset the password. And after successfully resetting the password, you can write that password down by simply coming back and log into your account like that.